So for breakfast, I usually like to keep it a little bit light. So today I'm just gonna do 2 rice cakes. One is going to be with avocado and some spices on it. And then the other one is going to be something sweet, because I always have to have something sweet with something salty, even if it's breakfast. Definitely getting down to that part of the week when all of your groceries are gone and you're kind of rummaging through the fridge like, I don't even know what I still have. So this is actually going to be a little bit of a random meal. There we go. So it's been about 2.5 hours since breakfast and I'm feeling a little bit hungry. Need some pre-workout fuel. So it's time for giant green smoothie. Let's do this. chunky, not gonna lie, but it adds some flavor, some spice. Do you guys hear that? That is a woodpecker that is chilling in this old tree that we have that actually kind of got a little rotten, and the top of it fell over in a hurricane a couple of years ago. And we have this woodpecker family that comes back every single year, and they always have little chickies, and you can actually hear them right now in the hole. So there's the hole. You guys can see it. If you hit it, you might even be able to, oh yeah, we got the mama coming back. Mom right there. She does not like me being next to this tree. Yeah, can you see her? Oh yeah, she doesn't like me being here. It's actually kind of funny. Sometimes when I'm laying right here, we usually have like a hammock out, and if we get a little bit too close, the mom will actually start to swoop down and try to attack us while we're sitting here, like my parents are at. And it's pretty funny seeing my dad almost get attacked by a woodpecker. But I mean, hey, I would too if I was a little bird. But yes, I thought that's just so neat how every year they have eggs in this little tree, and there's little kitties in there right now. Hi buddy, hello, you're so cute, love you. It's significantly later and I am starving, so post-workout meal is going to be beautiful, hearty, plant-based salad, and snacking on some tzatziki, carrots, best chips ever. Also, stay hydrated, my friends.